World AIP. I'm Stacy and tonight I'm making herbed cream cheese, AIP compliant. Let's get started with it. First thing I'm going to do is take out my Ninja Bullet, and to it I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any liquid oil. I suggest avocado oil because of its nice neutral flavor. 4 tablespoons. Then I'm going to use 6 tablespoons, so it's going to be like 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. To this I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 1/8 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of agar. I'm using this telephone brand. I got it at the Asian market, but you can use any brand of 100% agar powder. And then I'm just going to blend this up. Not putting my herbs in yet. I don't want them pureed so the whole thing is green. If you don't have fresh herbs, that's no big deal. You can use freeze-dried, you can use dried, you could skip them and just have a plain cream cheese. You can make freaking pineapple cream cheese. I'm going to put savory chives and parsley. You can use any combo you want. And I'm going to put some of these flowers in though. That'll be so pretty. Little purple bits. Savory. And the parsley I bought. Get these all chopped up. Just gonna pour these right into there. Get all these herbs blended in. So get out our little saucepan. Put that whole mix right in there. We're gonna bring this to a boil. This actually starts to bubble up pretty quickly. Just gonna keep stirring it. Let's go for like maybe 2 minutes. This agar will not solidify if you don't bring it to a boil. Just gonna add a touch more liquid because it's into the pan. I just added like 2 tablespoons more of the coconut milk. That's good. See how it's just doing those giant big thick bubbles? We're ready to let that gel up. It certainly turned out to be the... Oh! No, not my cream cheese. Wow. Oh, it's hot. OMG. Oh, I got it. I saved it. It's fine. All we have to do now is put this in the fridge and let it set. Don't wiggle it around and mix it up and peek in there and mess with it. Just leave it in there for at least an hour. Don't touch it because it won't set properly. I was very guilty of that the first few times I worked with agar. So yeah, we'll check back in like an hour. Alright, it's been 2 hours. I got busy. So let's take a look and see what we have. First of all, I just have to say this is so pretty with the little purple chive flowers in it. Oh, I love that. That made a nice little touch. Oh, would you look at that? You can just keep it in this tub if you want to make a pretty decorative mold out of it. That's kind of cute, isn't it? Mmm. The herbs. Oh, I like the chives. Oh. By the way, if you want this a little bit creamier and a little more spreadable, you could add a little more coconut milk. I don't want to whip this in the Ninja because I don't want all my herbs turned into a green sludge. Just put like a tablespoon, 1 to 2 tablespoons in there. Now we're making whipped cream cheese. And put it right back in there, pat it down. Now you have whipped spreadable cream cheese. Nutrition facts. Here we go. 6 servings are going to be 40 grams each. 127 calories, 1/2 gram of protein, about 1.3 grams of net carbs, 13.5 grams of fat. This is mostly a flavor enhancer. You know, it's not like a nutritional superstar. Little vitamin C in there. That's from the lemon juice. So yeah, carbs 2.2 grams, but 0.9 of that is from fiber, so we're left with 1.3 net, and some good old fats. Let me know how you like your herbed cream cheese if you make it. I post new videos every Thursday, so if you like this video, subscribe below so you don't miss any. And if you want to see little clips from my everyday AIP life, you can also check out my lens clips. And there's a link to those below. They're on my Patreon page, but it's free to the public. Enjoy your herbed cream cheese, and hopefully I'll see you soon. And until then, be healthy.